Hi guys, this is a different video. This time we're doing on a realistic TRC-200. It's a 6-channel 5-watt CB radio. It has volume, squelch, channel selector, external microphone, speaker, telescopic antenna, relative RF meter, along with battery test. And this one seems to suffer with no sound. There's our crystals. I believe the channels are channel 13, no, channel 9, channel 13, channel 35. I believe the 3 channels that's in there. There's the speaker. It's a 16 ohm speaker, 1 watt, and basically got no sound out of this thing. So we're going to run a test, I guess. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to put an external speaker on this radio just to see if we get sound from an external speaker. If we get sound, well, okay, might be something on go to speaker or circuitry thereabout. So first thing we'll do, put an external speaker on her and see if we get some sound. But yeah, this is old technology for sure, back in the 70s, I guess. 70s, 80s. It's quite the beast, quite the size of a handheld for sure. Anyways, let's see if we can get this beast back online. So we have the external speaker hooked up right here. As you can tell, the sound is working. Squelch is working. So we get no sound out of this one. So our next step now would be to test this speaker. Let's see if the speaker is bad. As you can tell, it's a 16 ohm 1 watt speaker. So let's see if the speaker is bad. Okay, so we test the speaker by first disconnecting the 2 wires leading to it. Then we put the ohm meter on 200 ohms, and we'll check the continuity and see if we get 16 ohms thereabouts from the speaker. If there's no ohmage whatsoever, then the speaker is open, the coil's broken, and we need to get another speaker for this here radio. Anyway, let's get everything rigged up here and test this speaker. Okay, so we got the negative probe put on this side of the speaker. This is the positive side, which goes to this, which is in continuity mode. I'll even put it in continuity so you can actually hear it. And I need a new battery meter. But anyways, so basically I shoot the continuity across my speaker here. And as you can see, nada. Put it there. So what we have here is a bad speaker. Let's put her on 200 ohms. Of course, you touch your 2 probes together, and you'll change here. So let's put her on right here, and we have nothing. So what we have here is a open speaker. Speaker needs to be pulled out and replaced with another 16 ohm. Question is, do I have one? Which one of these may have a 16 ohm speaker lurking in them? I guess we'll soon find out. So I got the speaker replaced inside of this unit. So yeah, one TRC-200 5-watt 6-channel CB radio repaired. And we got another beast right here. This is a 40 channel TRC-216. This one does not power up at all. She's completely dead, and to be honest with you, she sucks a wallop out of my power supply. So I'm thinking there's a dead short in here. We'll soon find out. But anyways, that's it for TRC-200. And all it was a bad speaker. Anyway guys, take her easy and 7-3.